Do you want to know how you can give prompts in Wombo Dream? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can give prompts in Wombo Dream. Go ahead and open Wombo Dream, which is on your phone. Now tap on the plus icon, which is the create icon. You can see box over here. Go ahead and tap on the box and you can see some of the suggestions over here. Go ahead and tap in the suggestion, or you can write something on your own. After you write it, go ahead and choose the art style, choose the artwork, and then press create. Wait for a while, and in a while you can see that your prompt will come to live action. You can now notice that you have now created art. So to share it or publish it, go ahead and tap on these buttons over here, or to download it, click on download icon and click download image. In a while your artwork will be uploaded on your drive. Let me show it to you once again, guys, how you can enter a prompt or give prompt in Wombo Dream. Tap on the plus icon. You can see the box over here. You can write your prompts about what type of character you want, what type of environment you want, and what art style you want. And then you can choose the art style, the artwork size, and then click create. You can even click on the given suggestions. So tap on it and then click create. This way you can create an artwork quite easily. Your prompts are very essential for the type of art you want. I hope this video about how you can give prompts in Wombo Dream was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.